just love me more. I could bet on the